Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan and in this video, let us do the unboxing and review of the LG ultra wide monitor. So the model number is 34WL500. The price quoted on the box is 40,000 rupees, but you can get it much cheaper online. Link to purchase will be in the description. Also on the box you can see it's written that it's IPS display, 2560 by 1080 display, HDR display, etc. And here you can see it can tilt up to max 3 degrees. Opening up the box, you can see here we have some of the accessories, the base stand which can be screwed up and tightened. So from here you can screw up and tighten the base stand. Then you have the user manual, CD, the power cord through which you're going to connect your LG monitor and a HDMI cable. Now here is the monitor itself. It's well packed in the box and you can see the monitor looks quite sleek and looks amazing. To the rear we have the two HDMI ports and other ports. So this is the stand that we have connected to the base now. And now we'll connect our monitor to the stand, and you can see we've connected the monitor into the rear side. We have two HDMI ports, a power cord port and 3.5 jack. So you can see here the monitor get tilted up to 3 degrees max and it is totally fine. And for a comparison, here is my 21-inch monitor and here is the ultra wide monitor. You can see there is huge difference. The monitor LG one is quite big and it's quite sleek too. Now I've connected the monitor to my laptop. Here you can see here I can just place it like this in the settings, and now I can use my laptop and monitor together. So here I can control the brightness of this LG monitor through an app called Monitorian. So you can download this from Windows App Store and this will help you control the brightness easily. You can also control this monitor settings via the button below. You can see if you press this button you have some settings coming through which you can configure a lot of settings from here. So just let's go into setting and you can see here you can select the picture mode, you can select vivid, HDR effect, reader, FPS, etc. So you can select according to your own preference and this will get changed automatically. So that's pretty nice. And then here you have other settings that you can configure. Here is the volume, so you can just plug in your ear headphones and you can control your volume from here also. And then for brightness, you can also do the brightness settings from here, but it will be very easy if you use Monitorian app and use directly, so that you can control your brightness from your PC itself. So you can see in quick settings we have brightness, contrast, etc. And in the input we have your HDMI mode, full mode, original mode, and you can see it gets the aspect ratio gets changed accordingly whatever we choose here. So guys, we used this monitor for close to 30 days and our experience with the same was very good. The colors popped out to be really well and I really enjoyed using this monitor for our video editing, maybe programming, etc. So here you can see there's an app called OnScreen control from LG that you can download from LG's website, and here are some settings that you can tinker. So you can select the picture mode which can be custom, cinema, color weakness, FPS, HDR effect, reader, RTS, standard and vivid modes. Also you can control the brightness and contrast from here also, so that's quite good that you can do through an in-app that you can install from the LG store. So you can go and download the on-screen control software from LG's website, and you can also do the same with your monitor. You can configure your monitor settings easily through your PC. And here you can see in other mode we have the application preset. For example, if you want to use maybe Photoshop or something, you can choose application preset. If you want to use a browser, you can choose application preset, and you can configure your display settings accordingly according to your own preferences, which is quite good in my opinion. And then we have the game mode setting. Obviously if you have such a large monitor, you will definitely love gaming on this monitor, and you can change your gaming settings and enjoy your gaming session. So guys, now let us check out this split screen feature. This is the feature that we use the most and we really like this feature as it offers really good aspect ratios and split screen, so that you can put up your apps there and work on this monitor. As this monitor is quite big, you can easily put 2 to 3 apps and work on them comfortably. As you can see, I've selected 3 apps now and I can just use my apps accordingly. I can just put whatever app I need and I can just put it there. You can see I put in 2 browser tabs here, and I can also put 3 browser tabs here. For example, you can just maybe do some of your Excel work or programming on one tab, maybe watch a YouTube video on another tab, and maybe do some other task like maybe photo editing or etc. on other tabs. So you can see you can multitask easily with this split screen. We also have 4 split screen modes. You can see we have other split screen mode also in this split screen option. You can see all of them. The screen is absolutely responsive and everything works perfectly. Now I put the monitor into 4 split screen mode, so you can see we can just use 4 screens on the same monitor now. So you can see you can have 4 screens now on this monitor. And this monitor will be really good for people who multitask a lot, maybe people who do programming, coding, or people who like to do video editing or maybe photo editing, etc. Or even normally, if you are not a pro user, if you're normal users, then also you can do a lot of multitasking on this, and this serves the purpose very well. The monitor is sharp, the display gets really bright, and overall this is a really good monitor that you should consider buying if you have a good budget of around 25 to 30,000 rupees or maybe $500. So as many people are working from home, this monitor would be amazing for people as they can do a lot of multitasking on this. Specifically if you are a programmer or you do something with code or maybe some creative work, then this monitor will be really good. You can see here you can do programming both sides, and this is quite nice. And here you can adjust your display in your Windows settings. You can just choose whatever you want. You can just connect your laptop and you can have two displays, or you can even connect dual monitors with your laptop or your PC, and that works absolutely fine. You can also enable night mode, etc. And here you have the settings that are auto start, auto update, etc. that you can see. Now let me show you the Amazon page of this monitor so that you can get a better idea of what this monitor offers. Although I have briefed a lot about this monitor, but still if you're interested, you can just see what all this monitor offers so that you can definitely buy this monitor. If you're interested to buy this monitor, a link to send in the description. So make sure, if you're interested, make sure to use the link below in the description so that you can get the best deal on this monitor. So guys, as you can see, this is the Amazon listing of this monitor, and this monitor has 34 inches, 21:9 ultra wide, and has a 1080p full HD display. It also has IPS features. You can see I'm hovering around the features. You can just see. If you're interested, you can just click on the link below and check out what this monitor has to offer. You can see it shows how you can split your screen accordingly, and you can work on a lot of other cool aspects of this monitor. You have HDR10, which means you get really good stunning images. Also it is IPS display, which means that the viewing angles are really good. So in whatever angle you are seeing this monitor through, you get really good viewing angles, and this helps your eye easily view the screen, so you won't feel any fatigue or maybe tiredness in your eye when you're using this monitor for a long time. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle, and etc. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.